effectively shield members of the public from public accountability. Then, commendation by various persons for the press conference by Dr. Ayine. I mean, yes, the Agogo Afoku matter. So you must make a distinction between legal principles of law and what may be allowed. I mean, or what may be proper. So, in the eyes of the law, the exercise of the power of no prosequi is not subject to questioning at all. So, when the Attorney General contends in court, which I did when I was Deputy Attorney General in the Oku matter, that the then Attorney General, Madam Gloria, was not required to account for the entry of no prosequi. That position is correct. But no prosequi is one of the means by which the Attorney General controls the conduct of prosecution. And indeed, I find it a little bit innocuous because it doesn't result in an acquittal of an accused person. It doesn't result in the Attorney General exercising the power to pass judgment on the conduct of any accused person. And no prosecutor only results in a termination of proceedings. A future Attorney General who finds merit in the case can revive it and go to court. Indeed, the same Attorney General may even just want to reorganize and come back, which we did actually in the Afuku case. The entry of no prosequi was because they had arrested the second culprit in the matter, whose role was deemed to be crucial. And the then Attorney General deemed it fit to commence proceedings again. And we did it. We didn't just enter no prosequi and whitewash the person's crime. So I think that if an Attorney General decides to open up on the reasons for entry of no prosequi and withdrawal, well, it's something that is permissible, but of course it's not legally the Attorney General is not legally compelled to do that. And indeed, I have on many occasions actually issued press statements, as we all know. The record shows I issued press statements even after the court ordered a mistrial in the Afuku matter and other matters explaining. So it is something that I think that ought to be tolerated and ought to be encouraged and all. But the fundamental question is, what were the motives for the press conference? And as I've disclosed, the motive for the press conference was just to whitewash, or just to explain. He himself knew that there had been a public backlash, there had been a reduction of the goodwill that they thought the NDC had in the beginning by the entry of these withdrawals and all that. The public was really appalled by the manner in which these withdrawals were done, especially when it burdened the use of the public funds. And those were really the true motives for the holding of the press conference by Dr. Ayine and nothing more.